Hi, this is Miss Andrea, and I work for the Children's Museum of Houston Science Workshop Program, and I'm bringing a project today courtesy of the Harris County Department of Education Case for Kids City Connections grant, which is funded by the City of Houston. And the project I'm bringing you today, I'm really excited about. Actually, I'm bringing you a series of projects. This will be the first one on Mother's Day gifts, a possibility of making Mother's Day gifts. And why? Because I know you guys are kids, you don't have a job, and so you probably need some help in coming up with some ideas of things you can make from the stuff that's around your house. So I'm going to tell you there are probably better projects out there, or some nicer projects, or some different projects, but all of them are readily available. So I didn't realize Mother's Day was coming up, and I worked day and night trying to find projects for you guys. So I've seen a lot of videos. I know they're out there. But I want to make sure it's from stuff that you actually have at your house. And I want to make sure that I give you lots of variety and things different from what you could look up. Because you can look up the ones on the internet, how to make flowers out of plastic bottles, and there's all kinds of beautiful stuff out there. I want to provide you with some alternatives. So the first project that I'm going to bring you is making like a little jewelry box or a button box or something like that. I found this bottle that I have, and I took that and I cut the bottom of it off, the top of it off, and I used the bottom. And then you remember the fast food cup that I've used in my other videos? Well, this is the bottom of it. And so what I did was I cut the bottom off, and I made that my top. You can put a little decoration on it. I put ribbon. I found this nice little lace. I found this super cool ribbon that goes just perfect with it. Isn't that nice? I think it's cute. Your mom could put, if she sews, she could put buttons in it or jewelry. And I'm going to tell you, moms, they appreciate anything you give them. Because I think that moms are underappreciated. Yes, I do think they're underappreciated, and I'm guilty of that. Um, I, I, I've lost my mom a few years ago, and I sure would give anything to have her back. So I think about some of the things, like when I was a kid, I never noticed my mom, she was so stylish. In fact, this is ribbon that I found in her stuff, and some of these decorations also. She's so stylish. I mean, she could put anything on, tennies, jeans, and a t-shirt, and she would just look so cute. But I realized when I was looking back at photos from when I was a kid that she didn't always look like that. And I realized when I was a little bit older that it was because she sacrificed a lot for herself to give us. And so that's what I want you to think about with your mom. Sometimes you don't realize the stuff that your moms are doing for you until you're older. So when you do stuff like this, it really means a lot to them because it's an acknowledgement that you know that your mom is doing stuff for you and that she loves you. So this is the first project. Now, you know what I really liked about this box? I like that you could take that off. This is another one. This is like a thing for peanut butter, and this was a thing for like rice pudding, and I was able to make a bottom and a top. So if you don't have this stuff, you can look for the things that you have and see what fits together. I mean, it looks like they were made for each other. So in my little box, I have I found all these buttons, and I thought, let me play with the buttons and see how they look. So then I popped on different kinds of buttons. That looks kind of cute. I also found these flowers. So I popped off one of the flowers and put it on there, and I thought that looked really good. I put on, and you notice there's not a whole lot to this, but you can really do a lot with it. So red little top right here, you get the picture. It's really nice stuff. And if you want to get really wild, I found these like flower things, and I thought that they were really neat. So I put some of those on, and those worked. This one right here is my favorite. And my point to you with this is that you can just look around and collect things as you see them. Look at that. Kind of wild, but I like it. I like it. It's cool. Um, I would look around and see what do you have at the house. What could you use? And then just collect that stuff because really I made this from almost nothing. And I found another one that it works with, and even that works nice, doesn't it? It's pretty. Um, Collect things, see what happens. I I thought, what if they don't have access to this kind of thing to make a little top? You can make your own out of cardboard. Just take your thing, make a circle around it with a pencil, cut it out. You can make it a little bit bigger and then put a piece of cardboard to make a lip, something like this. Or I did this one just to show a difference. I didn't like this one, to tell you the truth, but I didn't have time to make another one because Mother's Day is coming up so quickly. What I did with this one is I cut a piece of cardboard, bigger, the lid bigger than this container, and then I took this fabric, which is left over from a Christmas stocking, and I cut the little seam part of it and I put it on here. I put ribbon, I put this kind of stuff on it, and I put the little flower, and then I cut more cardboard so that it would fit on there. Now, it's okay. It looks okay. It could look better. I would go back and redo it, to tell you the truth. But I just wanted to give you an idea on how you could make your own top for any container. So if you find a container you can't find a top for it, make your own out of cardboard. Decorate it. Put ribbon on it. Put whatever you find on there. And it'll look fine. So I would be happy. If I was a mom and I got this, I'd be like, oh, that's pretty. Make your mom happy. Make your mom happy. Make her something. And I'm going to tell you, like, I found this. This is from almond milk, and I took the label off of it, and I did not decorate this. Why didn't I decorate it? Because it's obvious. You can decorate this any kind of way. But I just wanted to show you that look around at the stuff that you have. I love the shape of this, and I kept it for that reason, and now I found a thing to do with it. So I will be making, like I said, a series of videos. This is the first one of several. And I'm going to tell you also, I know there's some of you out there who don't have a mom. I mean, that happens. That's life, right? But I think that you should, whoever it is that's taking care of grandma, your aunt, your dad, whoever it is that is your mother, then make something for them. Let them know that you appreciate them. You say, well, there's a Dad's Day. Yes, but your dad, if your dad is the one taking care of you, he's both your mom and your dad, so make him something. Now, does your dad want to get something like this? Probably not. So I have some other projects that could be for male or female, so don't worry. I got you covered, okay? So check out the rest of the videos. I hope that you guys are staying safe, and I hope you have a really good Mother's Day.